Hey, it's just Sam here from SensatioNail. Today I'm going to go through a how to polish like a pro with our Scarlet Red kit. So this is going to be pretty interesting because we're going to go through step by step on how to get it perfectly. If you want to know all the pre-stuff, so all the prep work, there will be a video link down below. And as always, make sure to give it a like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button. Ka-ching! In your Scarlet Red kit, you will get the base and top coat in clear. You will also get your gel primer, your gel cleanser, of course your Scarlet Red colour in the gel, your lint-free whites, your cuticle stick, your double-sided buffer, and last but not least, your SensatioNail LED lamp. As you can see, I've already done the prep work and also the polish on all my nails apart from my ring finger. If you have any questions or how to do the prep work, there will be a link down in the description bar with a video. So we're just going to go ahead with our Scarlet Red. Just make sure to give it a good roll and start applying it. So if you start at 1/3 of the nail going downwards, and the aim is to do the whole nail in 3 strokes. Also, don't forget to cap your nails so that they last longer. But if you do make a mistake at any point, before curing them, you can just start over and use the lint wipes to clean it off and start again. But let's go ahead and cure that. So we're just going to go ahead and do our second coat and then cure that as well. Our next step, we're going to use our clear coat, and you want to just use a nice thin even layer throughout. And make sure you cap those nails. As always, don't forget to cure your nails, so let's go ahead and do that for half the time. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and use our gel cleanser and one of our lint-free wipes, which is really good to get rid of that tacky texture that you're left with, to remove that. So the look is finished now, and like you guys know me, I'm not a professional in this polish game and all that kind of stuff, but if I can do it, you guys can do it like a pro. Obviously, it's going to take some time and practice, and what I would recommend is giving yourself enough time to be able to perfect it. But as well, a nice extra tip that I have learned along the way is never apply too much polish at once, because I did notice that if you do apply too much polish, you're going to flood the nail and it's going to go on your cuticle. So you just want to do layer by layer, very nice and thin. If you have any questions or any tips that you want to give me that you guys have been performing when you do your polishes, make sure to leave it down in the comments, and I hope you guys join us next time. See ya! Hey, it's just Ham here. I like hams, green I am. Right, take 2.